Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at OpenMic's engagement workflow. From the dashboard, you can select categories, reports, or other attributes that will pull relevant comments and feedback to the verbatim drill down. You can also run reports from the report manager, which will do the same. I'm going to select customer service issues. The drill down contains a graphical representation of sentiment and volume, which can be toggled on and off. You can see that there are 10,095 records that match the customer service issues category. I'm going to look at a specific date, and I'm going to choose the negative comments to view. Directly below the graph are the corresponding verbatim. If you have any keywords or phrases, you can use the search function here to further filter the results. I'm going to use the word pickup. Looking at the first item, you can see a number of attributes including data source, user avatar if available, sentiment, the verbatim, which can be expanded if it extends beyond the preview pane, and any additional attributes that may have been sent. You have the option to flag this record for later. You can also send externally via email. Simply add an email address, a short message, and all the attributes as well as the verbatim will be passed through the email to the recipient. You also have the option to assign this verbatim internally in OpenMic. This brings up the verbatim management window. First, you have a drop-down list of people to assign it to. I'm going to assign this one to myself and give it a status of assigned. However, there are 4 different statuses being new, unassigned, assigned, closed responded, and closed see notes. I'm going to set the priority as high. I'm going to add a note, say follow-up, but you can write whatever you want. Click Save. You can see that the record now has this icon here that will indicate that it has been assigned. There are 2 ways to check assign verbatim. The first is from the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see the verbatim assigned to me widget. All of these links are clickable and will take you to the responses pages. This is the Response Manager page. In addition to navigating here from the dashboard, you can also simply roll over the Act tab and select Responses. This page shows you the total number of verbatim assigned to you, as well as the priority distribution. You have the option to filter by various criteria, as well as do any sorting necessary. Below you'll see the verbatim that have been assigned. This is very similar to the drill down page in that it contains the actual verbatim, as well as any notes left during the assignment process. You also see a link in order to respond. So this note says, please respond to this individual. So what I'll do is I'll visit this link, and this will bring up the post. Here I can do any type of response necessary. Once I complete that, I have the option to go back, change the status, in this case, enclose responded, as I have responded to the individual, and change any notes necessary. Click Save, and the record has been completed. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at www.overtone.com.